On an earthworks job, one number decides what you get paid, how much dirt actually moved. Cut, fill, the balance across the site. Getting it usually means exporting your survey to a desktop tool or waiting on the office for a report that's already a day behind. In WorksManager Pro, you don't have to. Volumetric measurement compares your survey against your design right in the 3D viewer. Cut, fill, and balance in seconds. Let's take a look.
Volumetric measurement works by comparing two surfaces. So first, let's get both in view. Here in the 3D viewer, I'll turn on my design, the site plan, and bring in a drone survey flown over the site recently. The two overlap right across the project, and that overlap is what lets us pull cut, fill, and the balance for the whole site. Now I'll start a measurement and set it to volume. There are two surfaces to choose, a from surface and a to surface. I can type the name or just pick it straight from the view. I'll set the drone survey as the from surface, my reference, and the design, the site plan, as the to surface, the target I'm measuring against.
Right away, WorksManager calculates across the whole overlap. It gives me the shared area, the volume of material between the two surfaces, and the part that matters most on site, cut and fill. Around 34,000 cubic meters to cut, 41,000 to fill, and a balance of about -7,000. One figure that tells me whether this site needs dirt brought in or hauled away.
Often, though, you don't want the whole site. You want one specific area. So instead of the full extent, I'll draw a boundary. I trace the zone I care about and double-click to close the polygon. Now the calculation has a custom boundary to work inside. I'll hit Compute, and the numbers update for just that zone. This area is almost all fill, over 1,500 cubic meters, because here the surveyed ground sits well below the design. That's a clean, defensible quantity for exactly the piece of work I'm claiming.
I'll save the measurement and it drops into my measurements list. From there, I can toggle it on and off to show just the boundary, reopen the information whenever I need it, and restyle it, a new color to keep a busy site readable. And because it lives with the project, everyone on the team sees the same quantities.
And that's volumetric measurement. Any two surfaces, survey against design, turned into area, volume, cut, fill, and balance. For the whole site, or just the area you draw, right in your browser. No export, no waiting on the office. Thanks for watching.